Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share you circle typography design. First, I will add basketball. I will remove the background. Now I will go to apps and I will use Typography. Click this icon. I will type here Boston. I will use boot house as the font. I will choose white color. Now I will drag it to the top and drag it to the right, and this one to the left, and this one to the bottom, and this one here, and then add element to design. Increase the size. So I will make it this shape. I have to add the height, and also this one here, update. Alright, I think it's enough. Okay, now click outside and then let's make the second typograph. Celtics. Same font. White color. And then I will drag it down. This one also. I will drag it to the left and this one to the right. Add element to design. Now let's drop it down, drag it down, update. And then I will add a square. Go to position, layers, send it here behind to text. And download it as PNG. Add a new page in other color. Upload the PNG of page 1 here. Choose BG remover. Increase the size to fit the page. Back to page 1, position. Select the ball and right click, copy. Right click, paste here. Go to edit and adjust. Scroll down. I will change this orange to the Bolton Celtics color, which is green. Alright, and then go to position. Send it behind the orange frame. And then crop it a little, change the background color to the same color as the frame, which is this orange. Now download it as PNG, page 2 only. Add a new page up. I will change to white color first and then upload the PNG of page 2 here. Remove background. Alright. And then I will increase the size. Place it here. Go to element and then I will add a drop shadow. I will place it here. And then I will change the background to this green. Select the ball and then go to edit. Choose shadow, add outline, change the size to 3, and then change the color to dark green. Okay. Intensity must be 100. Alright, so this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.